Scott Holbrook, Secure Blue, here at the beautiful Fairlakes Golf Course in Secor, Illinois, doing a wireless IoT irrigation install. As always, we are using the power of LoRaWAN. You see our tower right there, right by the clubhouse. And we just want to give the viewers a little taste of what the Secure Smart Irrigation can do. This is all wireless. Currently, you see there is no water. Let's go ahead and let's change that real quickly. Give it a second. You'll see some water coming up. And so the downlink has been sent. So that was pretty quick. We'll explain how that happened on a LoRaWAN Class A device in a different video. But you can see that they are all sprinkling. Now let's go ahead and send the downlink, turn them off. And then as soon as the pressure in the line dies away, you will see them stop irrigating the lawn. And there they go. And there they go. Scott Holbrook, Secure Blue, at the Fairlakes Golf Course, installing an IoT wireless smart irrigation system.